Mabuhay! Welcome to your basic sign language tutorial video. Today, we will learn the translation of letters, numbers, days, months, and the most common words we use into sign language. Let's meet the trainers. In this instructional video, we need you to look closely on the hand positions, movements, and angles for better appreciation and understanding. To start, make sure to stretch out your hands and do some hand exercises before we continue. Let's do this for 10 seconds. Let's start with the letters in the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Peña, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's learn about numbers and time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Morning, morning. Afternoon, afternoon. Evening, evening.
Let's learn about months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Now we move on to the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, let's take time to learn sentences. Mabuhay! Welcome to Philippine Airlines. My name is Anita. Your seat number is 3C. You need help with your bag? I know basic sign language. Sign slowly, please. I don't understand.
Now it's time to learn more about words, greetings, and requests.
Hello. Please. Thank you. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Goodbye. Goodbye. Yes. No. Sorry. How may I assist you?
How may I assist you?
Are you feeling comfortable?
Are you feeling comfortable?
Is there anything else you need?
Is there anything else you need?
Please just let me know. Please just let me know. The nearest lavatory is in front.
Nearest lavatory is in front.
Nearest lavatory is at the back.
Nearest lavatory is at the back.
The lavatory is occupied. Our estimated time of departure. Our estimated time of departure. Our estimated time of arrival. Our estimated time of arrival. Please fasten your seatbelt. Please fasten your seatbelt. Please open the window shade.
Please open the window shade.
This is the emergency exit. This is the emergency exit. Your life vest is under your seat.
Your life vest is under your seat.
Enjoy your meal. Coffee, tea, water. Which do you want? Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.